Cardano price prediction March 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll provide an update to my last breakout videos in Cardano. We traded Cardano beautifully, guys. Cardano had a breakout out of $1. If you watched the previous YouTube videos, we traded this live. We had a nice 50-60% trade. I talked about it in the free live streams on YouTube. I do a free live stream once a month. In the Rockstar Trading group, I do 3 to 4 live streams a week. I provide exactly when I'm getting in my targets, my updates. There's a couple of other coins that are breaking out now. So we'll review all of them and share with you Cardano, where Cardano can start pumping from, and some targets and price predictions for this month. So guys, Cardano had a big breakout out of $1, and Cardano had a huge rally. Cardano has pumped about 50-60%. And what new people that don't understand is, guys, they buy into the pump. When they see some big green candles, that's when they buy. But you don't buy then, you buy into pullbacks or trend continuation. It's really important to have a strategy. Whether you follow my strategy or have your own, if you don't have a strategy, guys, you're gambling, and you're not, unfortunately, you're not going to make money in this industry. I'll leave the links below for you to check out. There's a special offer to check us out for a month for $40. But it's really important to have a strategy, and nothing goes up parabolic. So if you watch the Cardano, Cardano has been pumping since 30 cent in February. It's up above about 300% since February in a month. So, there's always going to be pullbacks. Markets just doesn't go up in one go. If there's always pullbacks. We've had pullbacks along the way up. So, in my opinion, this is just a pullback. So the key level I'm looking for is $1. As long as Cardano holds above $1, I think is bullish. Money gets moved from coins to coins. And again, I made this video. Watch the VeChain video. I shared exactly how we're going to trade VeChain, and a breakout out of when VeChain broke out of 5 cent and a pullback, and is breaking out now. Even as long as it's holding above there, it's really bullish. We traded VeChain from above 35 cent. You can go watch the video, and lots of money is going into VeChain now. Again, money gets transferred from coin to coin. Big market makers try to take profit and buy other coins, and they sell it to newbies, and then they buy coins cheap, and then they pump it. Again, that's what we tried to do in the Rockstar Trading group. I provided exactly my entries on VeChain, how it was breaking out. You can see another coin that we're trading is BNT. There's loads of coins that are breaking out, but let's come back to Cardano. But that's a really important psychology for you guys to understand. So a really key important level is Cardano BTC, and against Cardano USD, the way I traded is I can even share with you when I took profits in Cardano. It's really important to just not hodl Cardano. If your strategy is to hodl, it's really important to learn when to take off, when to not take off. So this was my post when Cardano hit around 150, around 27th of February. You can see at least take half or 75% in profit and let things run. That's when we took profit, and I provided the update. Again, I wanted to make this video to update my YouTube viewers as well, because I shared that trade, so I want to share with you how I'm trading it now. So Cardano, I took profit around there, and I took another profit when it was breaking down here, and I'm still holding 15, I think 20% of my trade I'm still holding, and I'm waiting to see what happens in the 618 zone. If Cardano can't stay above this level, so again, I'm happy for a spike down, but if it doesn't do this, then I'm going to look to exit my other position in Cardano. And again, I could be wrong. Cardano could come back here and then start pumping, and if it does that, I'll look to buy Cardano above 2600. Again, if you watch my previous videos in Cardano from last year, we traded Cardano here as well. And once Cardano started getting below here, we exited Cardano, and then once it got below here, we literally exited Cardano, and we jumped into here Cardano again when it continued pumping. So I'm not saying Cardano is bearish and is going to dump to here. What I'm saying is it's just a pullback. There's lots of other new coins being pumped. Long time frame, I still like Cardano. I'll touch on news in a second. But we've seen, when I said I'm selling Cardano here, that doesn't mean I'm selling my hodl bags or Cardano is a bad project. I'm just saying from a technical point of view, when thing goes up this big, there's usually a pullback, and that's exactly what we're seeing in Cardano. So again, I'm not saying it's bearish if you're holding. You think that it's going to go up. Again, I don't share holding strategies. It's not financial advice. I'm sharing with you exactly how I'm trading. But if Cardano starts getting below here, I won't be interested in Cardano from my trading strategy. And what I'll share with you how I'll look to buy more Cardano. But if you're looking to hodl Cardano, this is a very, very key zone around the 2000 sats level and $1, where I want Cardano to hold and start trend changing and moving higher. From news point of view, I think Cardano trades best when there's lots of news, when Charles Hodgkinson and everyone else is pumping. From news, when I type in, there's lots of news on the price and $2 and cups talks of breakout, but there's not too much news from the project. So I'll do a bit more research on this. So I want to see more projects. I still think Cardano will have another leg up if it can start trend changing, and Cardano will go higher. But again, this is a really, really key level. So for me to start buying new Cardano position, again, the way I trade, I always look to take profit and, let 10%, 5% run. I've been doing that since from Cardano, since it's been, less than, I'll talk about it in the USD, since when we've been trading Cardano. Cardano was down here when I was talking about crazy $1 predictions, and people call me crazy, but we've seen what happens. So, it takes time for things to move. So the way I would look to get into Cardano is our following is a trend change. So I want the 4-hour trend to change above there, and I would look to get in on a pullback similar to what we did here when we jumped back into Cardano. Similar strategy. This is when Rockstar traders went long, and there was another opportunity here. I would look for something similar. If it breaks down, I'll let it go. I'll wait for it for my setup to jump back in again. I could miss it, I could exit here and it could pump up. Anything can happen in trading. The trade strategy that I share is a high probability. Again, you can watch all my videos, all my calls on Cardano. Cardano is a video that I share, live videos on trades, and I've made, exactly when it's breaking out 2-3 videos in a row in Cardano in the Shelly mainnet launch, and again these 2 videos you'll see how I've traded Cardano. So for now, if Cardano can stay above $1, if it spikes up, starts trend changing, that's what I said when Cardano was here, I'm gonna look to take another trade in Cardano towards 150. If it starts breaking 140 again, then I'd look to trade Cardano. I do think this zone is a realistic target for Cardano still. It's probably pulling back now, but this is still my realistic target. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to share with you a quick update on exactly how we're trading Cardano in the Rockstar trading group. So I'll share that on YouTube. If you are interested in the Rockstar trading group, I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer for you to check us out for our strategy. If not, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Cardano.